Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I will be sharing with you a drink that might be a replacement for your coffee, the Mushroom Latte. This Mushroom Latte will provide your immune system with a boost, enhance your mood, and increase your energy. Both mushrooms and maca are adaptogens, which increase our resistance to stress, boost endurance, and stamina. This recipe is very simple to make, and you can reap all the great benefits from the ingredients in just minutes. The polysaccharides found in the Reishi mushroom promote longevity by boosting immune system function and preventing abnormal blood vessel formations that could lead to life-threatening cancerous growths. Reishi mushroom contains triterpenes that appear to aid in the release of free radicals and promote liver cell regeneration. It has also been shown that reishi extract supports the production of nerve growth factor, a protein that is vital for healthy neurological function. Maca powder is definitely one of the lesser-known health foods with a long list of health benefits. I will just name a few here. Maca powder is rich in minerals, which are good for the regeneration of cells and the rigidity of the skeleton. It can increase your energy and help balance out those mood swings to put you back on track. Your blood circulation can be vastly improved by maca powder, ensuring that your body receives all the oxygen it needs, and of course, helping your brain function as well. Cinnamon is a highly delicious spice that has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It contains large amounts of highly potent polyphenol antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help lower the risk of disease. Cinnamon can improve some key risk factors for heart disease, including cholesterol and blood pressure. Therefore, if you are looking to increase your energy, boost your immunity, and enhance your mood, this is the latte for you. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.